Okay, cousin, let me make this quick. We got some Chipotle. Okay? Now, I know y'all be eating Chipotle, but why y'all didn't tell me that Chipotle so crispy tacos? Why am I over here just thinking that it's soft tacos? Huh? And I told her make mine overflow like a bowl because I tried these for the first time last night, y'all, and I had to come back so I could do a video just for you. Do y'all see this? Chipotle sells crispy tacos because I know y'all know they're bad. I know y'all seen this top. I know you know this with your bowl come in. Got a side of green sauce. Tonight I got carnitas, barbacoa and chicken, like just 3 different kinds. Malia said I make it look so good. Now I just asked her if she wanted something. Now she want me to go back in there and get her some because y'all can still put everything on a taco that you can put on the bowl or the burrito. Why wouldn't y'all tell me to try Chipotle that way when I showed y'all how I get my bowl? Oh my goodness.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Only get me.
Oh my God.
Only get me that shredded meat. Only give me that shredded meat.
That's carnitas.
Carnitas.
Y'all, I only get the carnitas and really the barbacoa too. When they kind of dry out a little bit. If it's in there in a lot of juice, it's something about when it cooked down. Yeah, I don't even have my sauce on here. I also think queso would be good. So I got sour medium. But I just wanted to know why y'all didn't put me on. I'm not even finna finish eating with you right now for dinner. Because you didn't put me on about Chipotle and these good crispy tacos. And all 3 of these was only $12, so you really not paying much of a difference. And it's better than the chips. Not the same tortilla. But I gotta finish. And I gotta go get Malia some. That's my favorite sauce too. But yeah, I'll call you back, cousin. Talk to you later.
Yeah, bye guys.
I just came to say y'all niece got her food. Okay.
Yo, I don't know
And
why
I probably
she
got
likes
me
to
an
put me.
extra taco, but we not gonna talk about it.
What?
Yeah.
Yo, why does she like to put me on the internet like this?
Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good. It's so good. She dipping hers in the sauce, y'all. So y'all know y'all niece 8. Y'all nephew 2. Yeah. Cause I don't know what happened to the first video, but y'all niece 8. Okay, she got her tacos. Is it good, Niecey Poo? Is it good, Niecey Poo?
Yes.
Is it good, nephew? Okay. Y'all baby cousins, niece, nephew, all that. They done